Hello student. This video on physical and chemical changes part 4 is brought to you by Gyanodaya High School. Please stay at home and save your life. In the previous video we had learned about the physical and chemical changes as well as we also learned about the activities and what are the different chemical changes we find at home. In this video we will learn characteristic of chemical changes. We have already studied that one or more new substances are produced in a chemical change. In addition to this, one or more of the following changes may also take place during the chemical changes or chemical reactions, like evolution or absorption of heat, producing sound, changing color, producing smell. Like this type of different characteristics we can observe during the chemical reaction. Point number 1 is evolution or absorption of heat, light or any other radiation. It means in some of the chemical reaction we had observed that heat is give off, and other reaction we can observe that heat is absorbed or taken inside the chemical reaction. So when the water is added to quicklime, heat is evolved. So we can see the equation quicklime or calcium oxide. When it will be react with water, they will produce the calcium hydroxide as well as heat. So like that we can see in this reaction heat is give off or heat is evolved. Like that in when we breathe we take the air, it is cool, and when we breathe out the air, it is hot. It is also a chemical changes. In the second reaction we had seen when the carbon and sulfur are heated together, heat is absorbed and carbon sulfide is formed. See the following equation, carbon plus sulfur, they absorb the heat and produce the carbon sulfide. In both the reaction we had observed, in one reaction heat is evolved and second reaction we had observed that heat is taken in by the reaction. So like that we can define the following equation, like the reaction in which heat is evolved or given off is called an exothermic reaction. I repeat, the reaction in which heat is evolved or given off is called an exothermic reaction, and the reaction in which heat is absorbed is called an endothermic reaction. I repeat, the reaction in which heat is absorbed is called an endothermic reaction. So I hope student you understand the exothermic and endothermic reaction, as well as we completed the first characteristic, evolution and absorption of heat of chemical changes. Point second, sound may be produced. We observe that when baking soda is added to the vinegar, carbon dioxide gas is evolved with a hissing sound. See the following equation, CH3COOH vinegar oxide plus NaHCO3 baking soda. When these are react, they produce CO2 carbon plus H2O water plus CH3COO Na sodium. So this sodium and carbon dioxide and water together they are produce the foam as well as hissing sound. Next point is evolution of gas. When solid calcium carbonate react with dilute hydrochloric acid, carbon dioxide gas is released. So we can say that in some of the chemical reaction we can see or we can observe that gas is released. Point number 4, change of color. In some of the chemical reaction we notice that they change its color. In our daily life also if we observe, when we will cut the slice of apple, brinjal, potato, etc., and when we keep for some time this one, they will be covered, or they will be acquired brown color layer. This is due to the formation of new substance of reaction with atmospheric air. Next, fifth point is change in smell, or new smell is given off. In some of the chemical reaction, we can notice that new smell or different smell, bad smell produced during the chemical reaction. Like when we will explode the fireworks, the chemical change, and it produces the unpleasant smell after the explosion. This happened due to the formation of new substance during the explosion. One more example we can see when we are keeping food outside for long time. It gets spoiled and produces a foul smell. It also happens due to the formation of new substance. It is also a chemical changes because we cannot change back in this spoiled food to the fresh food. So like this, we had seen the different characteristics shown by the chemical reaction. I hope children you understand the characteristics of the chemical changes. Thank you.